I don't got no intro, so fuck it, this the intro. Y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're gonna be checking out some more SHINee. We're gonna check out Tell Me What to Do, suggested by my cousin Danny. What's up, cuz? And yeah, man, I'm looking forward to it. I'm excited. I love their voices. I'm sure it's gonna sound just as magical, majestic, amazing, phenomenal, brilliant, beautiful, all the words that kind of, synonyms to that. You know what I mean? But with that being said, I won't hold you up no more. If you want more from SHINee, comment down below which songs I need to check out. And if you do enjoy this, make sure you drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Share with all the ladies in your life, all of them. Auntie, mama, grandma, her grandma, you know what I'm saying, great grandma. We like all of those. Share with them. Let them know we make some fire videos over here. And they will have a great time. You know what I mean? It's a great time. With that being said, let's get straight to it. Tell me what to do. We got closed caption? Let's see. Maybe not. I say Korean, so.
Tell me what to do.
Nah. Mitch, we ain't gonna start like, tell me what to do. Really?
Tell me what to do.
Yes.
Tell me what to do.
Ooh.
Tell me what to do.
Nah. This is about to be crazy.
What to do. 요즘 난 I don't know you.
So they just gonna sing to me like this the whole time? That's what I'm in for. That's I ain't mad. They finna sing to me though. Serenade me then. Serenade me.
요즘 난 I don't know you. 많은 걸 포기한 듯한 느낌.
Man.
하지만 들려무원의 외침. Tell me what to do.
Tell me what to do.
극적인 전개도 없는 연인. 시간이 두는 패착인 걸까. 끝내지 않아도 힘이 끝나. Tell me what to do. 풀리지 않는 매듭은
Okay.
우리 앞에 있는데. 내가 먼저 다른 길
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. I wasn't ready for that. Whoa, that was so like fucking glorious. Holy shit.
우리 앞에 있는데. 내가 먼저 다가가.
Yeah.
다른 길 끝에서 흘린 눈물에다 젖어버린 두 볼을 닦아주고 물어볼래.
Damn. Tell me what to do.
Tell me what to do.
Tell me what to do. By the way, that is very dangerous. That is very dangerous. It's a cool ass shot though. It's definitely a cool shot. He's the only one with some sense though.
말하지 않아도 알아주긴 뭔가 주기만 했다는 착각 익숙한 존재라든지 말든 Tell me what to do.
Also, hold on. Y'all, let me know who's the beautiful young lady in the video, because I thought this was an all boy group, right? She hasn't sang anything, but she's in the video. So is she dating one of them maybe? Let me know.
말든 Tell me what to do. 무심했던 나뿐
I love him.
깊은 상처를 남긴 나 내가 여전히 바보란 사실
His voice is crazy.
실수만 있다면 그렇게만 된다면
I love him too. Things I never thought I'd say. You know what I'm saying? But also, I noticed the drip. They look good too. Man, these niggas always drippy. I see the skin looking good too. Hold on. Yeah. He said, "Don't cry no more." Oh, yes, sir. I gotta sing it with him. Don't cry no more. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh.
당연하게만 여겼던 네 자리 네가 없다는 그 상상만으로도 견디기 싫어져 세상은 무너졌다 네 보고유는 언제쯤 예전에 나와
Whoa,
견제줘
whoa, 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 whoa. You can't switch the, like, what's going on? We got floating guns. They look like they down there like about to box or something. He rapping now. Hold on.
예전에 나와 견제주 네가 많이 변했다고 말하는 내가 가장 많이 변했지 네 원품이 난 모르지만 그 약속을 계속 조르지 우리 시간은 계속 머물지만 우리 시간은 계속 머물지 그 미소가 내게 와 더 환하게 차갑던 손은 더 따뜻하게 외롭던 두 개의 영혼이 만나 Lonely 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 lonely
Hold on,
따뜻하게 외롭던 두 개의 영혼이 만나
alone.
다시 널 들여다볼게 내 숨을 귀에 담을게 우리만 빼고 모든 것이 다 변해가도 내가 먼저 다가가 내가 먼저 나가는 길 끝에서
I love him.
두부를 닦아두고 물어볼래 먼저 말해주길 바래
Tell me what to do. Oh, oh, oh. Cry no more. Oh, oh, oh. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Don't cry no more. Oh, oh, oh. Y'all need an extra? I'm down. Nah, that was dope. Nah, these dudes just sound so good together. Like the blend is like the perfect blend. This guy though, he's definitely, I think, my favorite. Let me see. Him right here. Yes, sir. Definitely my favorite. I just love his voice. His voice is so distinct. I love it. I love it. This song was great. They all sound fucking amazing. I wasn't expecting it. It just kind of like punch you in your eardrums. The initial like it was calm, and then that glorious note just hit you out of nowhere. I wasn't expecting it, but I definitely enjoyed it. They all look good. The skin is flawless as always. I need the routine. You feel me? Listen, if you want more SHINee or K-pop in the comment section, tell me which songs I need to check out. I'm gonna get those to y'all as soon as possible. And with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Y'all have a good day. Peace out.